So over here, you can see that I am in my inbox, and then apart from inbox, if you were to go to junk emails, then you see all of the emails marked as junk or emails that has been sent to junk by Outlook. So as the emails in junk get deleted in 10 days, you might not remember what emails you might have sent to junk or are set as junk. And to see them, you can actually go around onto the view menu right here, and then you can go to view settings. So once you do that, over here you can see that in the mail section you can see junk email as an option, and over here you can see all the junk email listings. So right now you can see that there's nothing over here. So if I were to go around over here, junk email settings are not supported for all emails. Like for example, for Gmail, it's not supported, but if I were to go around onto Outlook, then you can see it right here. You can also go around and add in certain junk emails, like let's say for example, test@zzmail.com right here. So you want to block out this email right here, then you can simply go around and add and save this out right here. So you can see that this has been marked as junk, but it is marked as safe right now. Let me just go around and close this and mark, let's say for example, something else as junk right here. So let's say for example, I'm going to go around and then right click and report this out as junk right here. It has been sent to junk now. So let me just go around onto view settings, onto junk emails right here. And once you do that over here, then you will be able to see the email. So you can see that under email, this is marked as junk over here. So if I were to go around and report this around as not junk, or add to save senders, then you can go around over here onto junk emails, and you can see that it is under save senders now. It is my email itself, so you can see that this is save sender, and you can add in junk over here as well. And if there's any junk emails, you can go around and delete it right here and delete out the save senders as well, just like this, and then work around with the junk email settings over here according to how you want. So this is how you can go around and see emails marked as junk from settings, and then add around the emails that you want to be sent as junk as well. And you can also like utilize filters over here, like only trusted emails from address in my safe sender and domain list and safe mailing list should receive. So if you were to do this, then everything else will be sent to junk. And you can also block attachments and pictures and links from anyone not in my safe sender list as well. But usually you want to turn this off because you do want to receive attachments and everything else. So this is how you can utilize the junk email settings inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.